So you want to fill an entire range, not just fill down by clicking here, and not just fill down by Command D, but you want to fill out this entire range, meaning C through G. If I select all of the entire range that I want to fill in and do Command Enter, it'll fill in whatever is in the top left corner. Let me show you with just one phrase here. I want to fill this entire range. I'm going to do Command Enter, and it's completely filled in. Also, if I fill the whole range, I can do Command C, Command V, but that's double the clicks of just Command Enter. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.